You can go first. Or second. Go ahead. Stand draw. Unos, I'll run this back. Swing for 12.
Take it.
Alfred.
Images.
Draw. Right. Call. Vanguard. Vanguard.
Lou.
Vanguard 14.
No guard.
Critical fire Vanguard.
First, critical power, Unos.
Go ahead.
Second. Stand and draw.
Yeah.
That's 2. No, 25. 2.
Right a miss. That's on roll. Pure SP.
Person has
Kill the tiger. 14 to the current
One
tiger.
pass.
Drive trigger check. I wasted it. All effects. Yeah, go ahead.
23 Vanguard, no zeros.
Stand and draw. Right SP.
Oh! Wow! My knees are weak. Fuck, I should have.
What's the effect?
Push back.
Reveal and get a big belly, right?
Yeah, reveal, add big belly, and then.
Is that you
discard a
gave that?
card.
Okay. Stride enabler.
Yeah.
Are you gonna heal?
Yeah.
Son of a bitch. I have 6.
This game's bad.
I will.
I didn't expect I made.
Discard a card.
My knees are weak.
What happened to the music?
It's anyway.
16?
Yeah.
No guard. Crit power. It's great nature, that's why you play as crits. Damage trigger.
Yeah.
Gallet. SP.
Go ahead.
Talk to afford his SPs, guys. Trick cards are too expensive. Right, Alfred?
Yeah.
Stride. Holy square.
Well, it's not even triple rare, not impressed.
Stride.
Call Bennett. Bennett skill. Counter boss 1. Search for 6k and superior call it.
Yeah.
GB3 everything is plus 2.
Me wrong.
2.
Okay.
Shuffle.
Selena.
Me wrong skill.
27.
Soul blast. Draw.
Draw. Draw. Draw. Hit the heel trigger.
Gallet. Galahot. Activate skill. On flip. 2k, 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 2k.
Yeah.
So my GB3 doesn't get the plus 3.
What is stride? Who would have died if I didn't stride?
13.
And then I was like, you really taking all the damages?
Yeah. That was good.
33 to Vanguard.
No log.
Take it. Triple. First, Unos. Second, Gallet. Heal trigger. Fire to Benyon. Heal the damage.
Damage check. Nothing.
Jesse took my mom. Huh?
19.
No guard.
No,
Go ahead.
it does. It just looks like shit.
Stand and draw.
I think it's so many people coming. What did you
Stride.
do? Holy square for this?
I bet you will.
Superior Raido.
Generation. I'm proxying Divine Ultima. That was expensive, dog.
Fuck it. $30?
Big belly. Counter plus 1. +4/+4. If either of these hit your Vanguard and it's in the same column, I get a draw.
Oh my god, that pug's fucking distracting.
Just so
Call.
sexy. Call.
Fuck that tiger, dude.
I like
Goddamn
my play.
Crayola. You owe us money.
35 Vanguard +4 here. At the end
If
he
you
dies.
hit
If I hit, then I can use my starter.
Assault.
Yeah.
First chest.
Power to Google.
Heal.
Trigger again.
Third check.
All effects Guru.
I blame you for this. I'm making you say trigger again.
23 to crit Vanguard.
I'll take that. First, Blaster Blade. That's all I play is SPs, man. Second, critical trigger. All effects, and that's a fail, man.
Ooh,
Gotta cancel
cheating.
the whole-
Cheating?
Oh.
Because they hit your Vanguard and it's 20 or more, you get a draw.
Damn it!
Vanguard 20, Crayon Tiger, Counterblast, Stand +4.
26.
Alright. He has +8, so
He's 23 plus.
27. Vanguard, 2 crit.
You're set.
Alright. And then end phase, unstride, retire him because of Crayon Tiger, and I draw. Go ahead.
Standing draw. That's not that much. Okay. Shut up, man. You're making me feel bad.
Why?
Strike.
Use a Tom.
Alt-mile skill.
Dude, that's $60 right there, young flip.
Dude, my damage is worth more.
That's jump man.
Man, that's because also all I roll is SPs, man. +8, +3, +3.
Yeah.
Should I say +5k from alt-mile skill, +3k to the front row.
Okay.
So what does your starter do? No,
You know this
Yeah.
L-run skill, counterblast 1, move into soul.
It's gonna bring out Chingada. How much power you got, one chingo?
Our cameraman is not trying to laugh right now. He's failing horribly.
Yeah, first you take my mouth, that makes you laugh.
Holy shit!
My man just almost died.
Dude, we get so much likes that people think we were just dating. Miran skill, soul blast, draw. Son of a bitch, man. True.
I think that's
Oh.
my mom's I think that's my mom's
I drew
favorite
that.
unit.
That's how you play Battle Royale Paladins.
Miran.
You know skill, so I call it Miran, +5.
Okay.
So hopefully shit will land. Cards out?
7.
17 Vanguard.
21.
21.
35 Vanguard.
No guard.
First shake.
That's it?
Second shake.
Any triggers?
I want one.
Weakness.
Hey, you should play the lottery with that.
Quick, let's go to Sunny Land.
2060 Crown Tiger.
That's it? Bitch ass number.
I really hope that was 26 to be honest.
5,
Vanguard.
18.
It's 14 plus 12,
23.
26.
Yeah, that's it.
I did my
turn?
numbers right, yeah. I don't think we can post this one too, man. We're just laughing too hard.
Yeah, man. Wait. Strike. Big belly. +4 here, +4 here.
You call that another tiger.
I don't need
another
literally
tiger.
a tiger, you know.
Okay, Legion mate. Better?
35 Vanguard, +4
Fuck
here.
you, man. Oh.
Man, I don't know, my nigga. I
Power
floored,
head
man.
child. No heal.
Are you sure? Sure.
Nothing.
I can survive, I think.
Let's
15?
see.
Oh, that's
No, he's
13.
only 13.
Yeah, 13.
Is it?
Yeah, that's 13. You got 4.
No, it's 14.
It's 9. You got 5. Oh, yeah.
I
That's
don't think
yeah.
it's so much shit about me. It's
14 straight?
that loss.
14 straight.
That's fine.
And that's you. You're like, cool. Vanguard 20. Counterblast. Stand +4.
Alright, damage check.
Alright, well, because of Big Belly, the 4 that I gave here, and a hit, I get a draw.
Is that all? You only draw one?
He can
Yeah,
send
just
his
one.
Vanguard.
And I get it like pitch 2 and stand Vanguard or something. Can't remember.
If he shows the scores from school and he passed math, he can send his Vanguard.
Vanguard 18.
Card with me.
End phase. John dies. Draw 1 from Crayon. Go ahead.
Stand and draw. Stride.
Yeah. That's amazing. What fun is it?
Roll square.
That was a 2% earlier.
Fucking Galley. Skill. 2K, 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 2K plus 15.
Yeah. But is that it?
I'm gonna lose because they're just triple rares. I failed in
Probably.
mine.
My strides were just rares.
I know. You talk so much shit about me. Cardfight?
7.
Still. Alright, Vanguard for that's 8 plus 4.
Hey, you forgot to unlock your rigor.
Unlock
Ooh.
22.
When you unlock rigor, it's like motorboating.
If it hits, you get an unflip damage?
Yes.
Sure, I don't think it'll be counterblasting.
Skill. Flip. Take another damage.
Oh,
He's got
That's a
percent.
skill. If he hits, you flip and take another damage.
Shit. Is it because it's the speed? Yeah.
oh, my bad.
And you just took her.
49.
PG. No, it's my first PG.
Oh my god. First, I'm not gonna get shit, guys. Second, I'm not gonna get
This
shit.
one is gonna come up, bro. Put
Crit,
What
wait,
line?
crit power? I was like, wait a minute,
Okay.
PG. Are you gonna guard it?
Oh, yeah.
And can you just like drop it?
Alright, I'll just drop it.
I was like, can you just drop it then?
His effect, I get an unflip because I have one in the drop zone.
Can I see, sir, just to confirm?
I just used it like last attack.
Sir, it's the rule of Vanguard.
My turn?
Yeah.
Alright, you lost. Stand and draw.
This one fucked up shit.
Strike. If I'm correct, you only have 1-0 in hand, so
Oh!
this guy will kill you.
No one's hurt.
I know.
No big bellies effect. Call. Target Guru Tiger. Magnemar's effect. Combo Slung. Unflip.
You only have
+4,
two.
+4. 4 people. But he's SP.
Rich people.
+4, his effect.
You just felt it, man. Just
No, that was
It's
a
a good match. It's a good match.
I think the sound is there's too much bass. We gotta lower the bass.
Vanguard 31.
yeah, sure. I still got 4 heals, I think.
You could PG that one.
You can PG this one.
PG
Oh,
You
okay.
could PG that one.
It's only the big guys that did 20 or higher you can't. You can only
First.
You say RGB.
Second.
That's fucking cheating,
Tiger.
dog. That is fucking cheating, dog. Crit trigger? That's
All
fucking
effects,
cheating,
Guru
dog.
Tiger.
This is my first time trying this deck with crits. Remember how you said it
Oh,
stands?
yeah.
Yeah, I switched it to stands. To crits. I want to see how I did with stands.
It hit 2 triggers, so 25, 2
That's
crit
a lot.
Vanguard.
You know
No
what?
zero. Only zeros. No ones are higher.
Just 1 damage.
2 damage. I pulled a crit.
Fuck.
Oh,
And he's gonna restand, so don't worry.
Paladin Vanguard, heal.
Oh, 6 damage heal.
Show me the light!
Bitch,
Come over here and have sex with Charlie Murphy.
Vanguard 20. Counter +1. Stand +4.
Okay.
Are you gonna
I
guard?
bet 21.
Guard or no guard?
No guard.
They make me do it on Cardfight online. You got the choice too. 29 plus a 7. 36. Vanguard 2 crit. No ones are higher.
I only got 31k guard. 1, 2.
I think you're dead.
I got 1 left.
It's
I
2
will-
crits.
Oh, never mind.
Wait, how much?
36.
Paladin Vanguard.
They put on heels now.